Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kyla and I make makeup videos. I look like this because I was at work all day, but I really want to film this Allure beauty box. If I look funny, it's because I have changed locations. I have moved my beauty room, and so I'm not quite sure how the lighting is right now. If it's a little wonky, I'm sorry. I also have a white backdrop instead of my normal black backdrop. But we're just rolling with the punches here, okay? So today we are doing, as you can tell by the title, the Allure beauty box. It comes in a box, and then it also comes in a bag. I've never done the Allure beauty box before. It is normally like $15 a month. Your first month is $10, and that's all I really know about it. I don't know how many products normally come in it. I know how many I got, which is 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces for, well, my first box was $10, so that's pretty good to me. It says, it comes with a little pamphlet that tells you about each product. That's really it. This is all, I guess it's all new stuff, or semi-new stuff. I don't know. So, we're gonna see. So I'm just gonna jump in. This is the bag. It's kind of cute. I don't know if it normally comes in a bag, but I like this one and I would use it for other things. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. The first thing I pull out is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. It says Refine and Treat Overworked Skin and Hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals. I've never like exfoliated my hair. Is that a thing people do normally? Not a thing I've ever done. But that's fine. We're just gonna roll with the punches here. I think this little packet here, which looks like this on the front, tells me about these products. It says, for the Way Scalp and Body Scrub, the idea of using the same scrub for your body and scalp is novel, but actually makes a lot of sense. This one works well elsewhere because it buffs with sugar, one of the gentlest exfoliators around. It made my legs less ashy, no small feet in January, and gets product buildup off my scalp, and dermatologists say unclogging hair follicles could help new hair grow in healthier. Use it on wet hair before shampooing and rinse it out really well. I'd hope so. The scrub soothes my scalp and doesn't make my curls feel dry. The floral smell is absolute heaven. I guess we're going to smell it. It's nice. It is a little bit florally, but not crazy. I like it, and I'm interested in seeing how that would scrub my scalp. It says the retail value is $38. Obviously, this is just the small one. You can buy it from theway.com. I know we have this at Sephora. And it says you can enter in the code 15Allure at checkout to save 15% off your order. Valid through February 28th. This is January's box, by the way. I probably should have said that. When you order it, it takes like forever for them to process your first order, like 20 days or something like that. So I just got mine not long ago. And we're in the middle of February. Like, it's past Valentine's Day. So, anyways. The next thing is, I think, the gift for signing up. It's the NCLA nail polish, and it's like a hot pink color. I'm pretty sure this was just the gift, though, for signing up. Yeah, it isn't in here, so it isn't in the little packet, but it's just the nail polish. It's in the shade Call My Agent. It's cute, though. I like it, and I'm glad I have it, because I haven't painted my nails in forever. Anyways, next is something that's full size. The scrub wasn't full size. I'm assuming the nail polish is full size. It's the mini beauty blenders, and 2 of them. Usually you just get like 1 in something like this. It's the Beauty Blender Micro Mini. It says, I think we can all agree that anything mini is adorable. This tiny version of the Beauty Blender, quite possibly the world's best makeup sponge, is also very practical. You can use it to be really precise about your concealer application, wet it, wring it out, and use it to tap your usual concealer overshadows around your eyes that may include the inner and outer corners, redness around your nose, and sunspots. It's a little easier to maneuver than a full-size sponge. It doesn't streak like fingers can. I keep one at my desk with a bottle of micellar water to wipe away mascara or eyeliner smudges as the day goes on, and the retail value is for $18. And I know this is full size because we have these at work. So that's pretty cool that you get 2 mini beauty blenders. I've had the green ones in the past. I don't know where they are right now. These are hard to keep up with. But I think it would be really good to get like around the nose and in the inner corner because I struggle to get there myself. Yeah. So The next thing is the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum, the A+. This is our new one. We just got this at Sephora, and this is a mini, of course. It says, Advanced Strength Retinoid Serum delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin, combining 5% retinoid ester blend, 1% blood, and a bunch of other stuff I can't. Yeah. It says fights the sign of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin. It has CoQ10, a bunch of stuff. Just tells you about the ingredients. I'm kind of excited to try that. I have been working retinol into my skincare routine. I use the Apassione from Drunk Elephant, and I really like it. This says it's another Sunday Riley product, a lightweight retinol. They have their Luna already. I'm not going to read all of this. This is too much. But the full size is $85 at Sephora. So, yeah. The next thing is the reason I got this box, actually. It is the Sunday Riley, if I can get it out, the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil, and this is full size. This hasn't launched yet, and they're going to sell it at Sephora. There's a ½ ounce and an ounce size. This is the ½ ounce, which is just for $40. The full size at Sephora is going to be $80 for the bigger one, but still, like, this is pretty exciting to have something like this. I'm pretty excited. It says, Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil. Face oils are excellent winter skin saviors, and this brand new one from Sunday Riley is especially good at turning my dull, dry skin dewy. It's got vitamin C to brighten, evening primrose oil to hydrate, and a fast absorbing texture. So I'm pretty excited to use this, and it has turmeric in it, so that's good as well. Turmeric is in the oil from Glam Glow Potion, I think it's called. I don't remember. I really like that one. That has turmeric in it as well with the charcoal. It helps my skin out a lot. So this is what we got here. I feel like I'm really dull. Like, I don't know what is up with my lighting. Anyways, so that's like the whole reason I got the box, because it's such a good deal. Like, I paid $10 and that's worth $40. So everything else is just a bonus. The next thing is a lip product. It's the Douce, I don't know how you say it, D-O-U-C-C-E. It says the Relentless Matte Lip Crayon. It says it's in the shade Winterberry. Yeah. It says there's just something that's so sexy and cozy about putting on a dark berry red lip color in the winter. I love the deep. I don't want to hear about the color. I want to hear about it. Tilt your head back to line the very bottom of your lower lip too, and your lips will appear fuller. Just tells you how to apply it. It says it retails for $22. On their website, you can enter Allure25 to save 25% through April 1st. So that's a while. We can put this on. It's a crayon. That is really deep. I feel like I can't get accurate with like chubby sticks like this. So as you can see, that was really hard to get a precise line, and I still can't. I feel like I'm just making my lips worse. So we're gonna stop. But it's a nice color if you can just get an even application. Like, retails are $22. I don't think I'd pay that. No. But needless to say, the last product is from Mally. It's an eyeshadow stick extra is what it says. And it says in burnished bronze. So this is what she looks like. I'm just going to swatch it here. So not really a color that I wear a lot, but I mean, for a cool tone day, maybe we could work it out. It blends nicely. So that was nice that it blended out. But like I said, I was really just here for that Sunday Riley oil. We got some other cool things to try out. I don't know if Allure Box always does full-size stuff. They rarely do full-size stuff. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just rolling with the punches, you know. I just wanted the oil. So That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you get the Allure box, did you get this? Because I know some of the things were a little bit varying each month, or like in each box. I guess February's box will ship soon. I wasn't really planning on getting February. Like, I was just going to cancel after January, but it charged me before my January box shipped, so yeah, it's been fun. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On your way out the door, hit up my Instagram. It's at MakeupMySmile. We are growing. We are climbing. We are so close to 8,000. Go ahead and subscribe, like, follow, you know, all of the jazz. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.